Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my eToro Trader. So it's been a while since my last upload to my channel, and I'm here to update you because there's a big news already in the market, which I think if you've been following the market for a while now, you know that something is wrong with AI stocks, and one of these is NVIDIA. So from its previous peak, it dropped a lot. So trying to measure here, there's a drop of negative 20% on the stock. It's trying to recover right now, but the damage has been done. As they say, trillions of dollars have been removed from the equities market. So those AI stocks. So there's a scare right now on this type of stocks because of the DeepSeek. So it's an Chinese AI, a counterpart of the U.S. Chat GPT, and the question right now is this DeepSeek can be developed by mere $6 million as compared to Chat GPT, which used billions of dollars during the initial phase. So if you do not have any idea on what this DeepSeek is doing to the market right now, so that drop 20% drop of Nvidia was because of this new AI that's been being uploaded now or downloaded by most people, because you can use it for free for its advanced stages, while if you're using ChatGPT, which uses NVI chips, you need to pay a premium, right? So just to give you some idea, if you don't know yet, so I hope you know already what's happening to our stocks. So there's YouTube news. So this one might help us understand more this AI stock. So let's check it out.
It's a bloodbath on Wall Street. Since morning, tech stocks have been tumbling. They're set to lose $1 trillion, $1 trillion in a day. What led to this? A Chinese chatbot. It is called DeepSeek, and it has caused mayhem in the AI world.
So the one she's talking about is this drop around 4 days ago. So the market is trying to recover. Hopefully, it can recover. I tried to buy these stocks yesterday, as you can see here from this candle. So hopefully, it recovers a bit. Then later on, we'll just have to sell it for a profit, right? So, what's more details on
Up
this
until
one?
now, the rules of the AI world were quite simple. You needed two things to build a successful model. You needed billions of dollars, and you needed cutting edge technology, the best in the world. But China has completely shattered those rules. They built a powerful chatbot. It is cheap, it does not rely on advanced AI chips, and yet it is sweeping the globe. So, what's this fuss about? Why is DeepSeek suddenly everywhere? Is it really as flawless as it seems? And is this AI Sputnik moment? Let's break it down for you. We told you about DeepSeek last week. It was founded in 2023 by a man named Liang Wenfeng. It spun out of a hedge fund and remained nondescript until December last year.
So the thing with this DeepSeek is, according to the news, DeepSeek is just like a side project for this teenager, or for this hedge fund manager. Is still very young. I think more than 20 years old only. So if they can do, then there's something wrong with the way the chat GPT is using the NVIDIA chips, right? Because based from this news, they use only very small amount of old NVIDIA HB 800 or HB 100.
That's when they launched their first model. The AI world was only waking up to it, and then they launched a second model within a month. Most of DeepSeek's models are open source or open weight, meaning developers can access the code and they can build upon it.
So that's the one I'm trying to mention to you right now, that for you to be able to use the advanced stage of chat GPT, you need to pay $200 per month. But for this one, it's open source.
Which brings us to the question, how good is DeepSeek? Well, as good as any of its rivals, on par with the likes of OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. More importantly, it is free. That's a solid USP. It seems to have appeal to the masses, making DeepSeek the top-rated application in the Apple App Store in 3 countries: the United States, the UK, and China. DeepSeek is the top app. That should say something about how good it is. But that's not what the fuss is about, really. It's about cost efficiency. DeepSeek was trained for around $6 million. It may sound like a lot, but in the world of AI, it's peanuts. Tech giants use far more money to build such applications. Take Meta, for example. Meta uses upwards of $60 million to train its AI model Llama. That's what makes DeepSeek stand out. It is cheap. Also, it does not use advanced chips. And that's another reason for this hype. You see, for the longest time, the US had the edge in the AI race. Washington tried to keep that lead. So it sanctioned China. It slapped tariffs on Chinese companies. It limited their access to technology. And all of this had only one goal: to keep China lagging behind.
Okay. So basically, that's the story why NVIDIA dropped more than 20% in the past few days. So it remains to be seen if it can recover. So I'm trying to put some trend lines for our perspective here. So it did drop to the support level, but there's a gap. It's a big gap right now, and a lot of people, when there's a gap, a lot of traders are trapped on this area. So it will be a very big resistance. So there's a big chance that if it reaches this area around maybe for the next 10%, a lot of people will be going to sell. So it remains to be seen whether our chart can go back to its previous peak at 152, or it might just hit a wall again and then go downwards more as we continue to develop what's been happening to the DeepSeek AI. So it's a big drama right now in the silicon industry, because if DeepSeek can do it for 60 million US dollar, then NVIDIA, we don't need a lot of NVIDIA chips to develop this AI technology. So as you know, President Donald Trump promised around 500 billion US dollar to develop. Then but it seems like you only need a few $100 million just to develop the AI technology. So it's a big question now for those stocks, for our companies or stocks that produces these highly advanced chips. So we'll update you again for the next few days and what will happen to our trade. So I go back to my account now. So it's a mess. It's gaining right now, but my account is on a mess right now. So if you followed, or you can check the previous videos, and you can see that our current value at 5,300 is very low as compared to the last video that I have done last time. So you can go and check what happened uh, to my portfolio. So but this one is not related to this drop. It's more related on one stock, which is the AMD. As you can see now, it keep dropping. So I hold my shares. So it's quite hard to cut at that point. And then it came to a point that since I'm doing leverage, I got automatically cut out from this stock. Then I just went back in recently again. But as you can know, it went through a big downtrend right now. So it affected a lot my portfolio. So I'll give an update by next time again. So I just want you to know that what's been happening in the market right now is because of the DeepSeek Chinese AI tools. Okay, so it's a really very exciting right now because there's a lot of volatility in the market. Okay, so if you did not subscribe yet to my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe. We're just 10 subscribers right now, so hope we can make our channel big, and as we grow together with our eToro account. Okay, thanks guys.